The Hillary Clinton email scandal is back. Obviously, it's back because of the IG report. It was Judicial Watch that uncovered the Clinton email investigation, the Clinton email matter. It was Judicial Watch that uncovered the Clinton email scandal. It was our FOIA that uncovered it. And the Justice Department and DOJ and the State Department obstructed our efforts to get information about it, and as the IG report demonstrates, had zero interest in prosecuting Hillary Clinton or anyone else. They didn't want to go look for the documents. They didn't want to investigate anyone else. And obviously, they were never going to prosecute Hillary Clinton. So Judicial Watch was doing all the heavy lifting. And we were doing it through discovery in one of these cases before Judge Sullivan, where we had asked for documents about Yuma Abedin. We got the runaround from the State Department because they told us they had searched everywhere, when in fact they hadn't searched Hillary Clinton's emails. So they had to reopen that case, which is extraordinary. Judge Sullivan gave us discovery to figure out what went on, and that saw Hillary Clinton have to submit information under oath about her email use. We wanted to depose her, but Judge Sullivan said we couldn't. He said we could issue written questions that she'd have to respond to under oath. And she responded to some of those questions under oath. And I think, hold on a second, I've got my thing down here. I think there were 14 or so, 15 interrogatories or so. So that's what they're called legally, interrogatories. They were submitted in 2016. And she answered the questions under oath, but she refused to answer 3 questions outright and responded she does not recall 20 times. And she preceded her responses by 8 general objections and 2 objections to definitions. And the words object or objection appear 84 times throughout the 23-page document. So that's what we had to deal with Mrs. Clinton. So the 3 questions she refused to respond to related to the creation of her email system, something very important, her decision to use the system despite warnings from State Department security officials, and the basis for her claim that the State Department had 90 to 95% of her emails, which wasn't true. So we had asked for the judge to compel her answers to that testimony way back in 2016, back in November. And the judge this week, or just late last week, just issued a ruling saying that we're going to have a hearing on that in October. So it's a long time coming, but Mrs. Clinton may have to answer additional questions under oath to Judicial Watch about her email scandal. Judicial Watch is the one pushing for answers under oath from Hillary Clinton, not the Sessions DOJ, not the Wray FBI. And the question that I was raised by this IG report is, what is the Justice Department going to do about it now? Are they going to recognize that the IG report shows that the Clinton email investigation has zero credibility and needs to be redone or reanalyzed? Is James Comey and Loretta Lynch's analysis of the law and the analysis of the evidence that's been uncovered and has been publicized in this IG report and by Judicial Watch, is that endorsed by Jeff Sessions, Rod Rosenstein, FBI Director Wray? Do they agree that Hillary Clinton didn't do anything that warrants prosecution? When are they going to tell us the answer to that? But in the meantime, Judicial Watch is going to do the work. And we're going to be in court on it, obviously, before Judge Sullivan in October. And in the meantime, we're still getting Clinton emails. I think just the other day we got another batch of Clinton emails that show there was more classified information on her system. Again, these were classified records that she tried to delete and didn't want anyone to see.